2026 BMW X7. Insane luxury upgrades and price leaks. The 2026 BMW X7 is making headlines as rumors suggest major design changes, new powertrains, and cutting-edge technology. As BMW's flagship luxury SUV, the X7 has always been a symbol of power, prestige, and innovation. If the latest reports are true, the next-gen X7 could be more luxurious and powerful than ever, setting a new benchmark in the full-size SUV segment.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to AutoSpectre, your gateway to automotive excellence.
Speculation about pricing suggests that the 2026 BMW X7 will start at around $85,000, with higher-end trims like the M60i and the Alpina XB7 pushing past $130,000. If BMW introduces a fully electric or plug-in hybrid version, expect an even higher price tag. The X7 will continue to compete with the Mercedes GLS, Range Rover, and Cadillac Escalade, ensuring it remains one of the most desirable luxury SUVs on the market. Under the hood, the new BMW X7 is rumored to offer a mild hybrid inline-six and a more powerful twin-turbo V8, delivering over 600 horsepower in high-performance trims. Some sources suggest that BMW may introduce a plug-in hybrid variant to improve efficiency while maintaining its signature power. A fully electric BMW iX7 could also be in development, aligning with BMW's push toward electrification. Design leaks indicate that the 2026 X7 will feature a more aggressive front grille, sleeker headlights, and a redesigned rear end for a sportier look. Inside, BMW is expected to take luxury to the next level, with a massive curved OLED display, premium leather seating, and an upgraded iDrive infotainment system with AI-powered voice commands. Expect more driver assist features, including hands-free highway driving capabilities. As for the release date, the 2026 BMW X7 is expected to be unveiled in late 2025, with the first models hitting dealerships in early 2026. BMW will likely showcase the new X7 at major auto shows such as the Frankfurt Motor Show or the New York Auto Show, where they often reveal their flagship models. In conclusion, the 2026 BMW X7 is shaping up to be a powerful, tech-loaded, and ultra-luxurious SUV. With hybrid and possibly electric options, next-level interior upgrades, and a bold new design, the X7 could dominate the full-size luxury SUV market. Stay tuned for more updates as BMW prepares for its big reveal.